Oh my god, they're so cute.
What's up?
The way Dai addressed Shun is so cute. Shun is doing great as Dai's wife. Oh no! Get ready Shun to get bitten. They are now playing in the kitchen like dog and cat. Oh no, that kiss is so sweet. Oh my god, Dai is very clingy. Please, I need Dai in my life.
Dai and Shun cooking together. I've been a huge fan of both of them for ages, and seeing them in the kitchen together is just cute and adorable. The moment they enter the kitchen, it's clear Dai is smitten. He's practically clinging to Shun like a koala, radiating pure love. Shun, on the other hand, is effortlessly taking charge, grabbing ingredients with a calm, collected energy that screams, wife cooking for her husband. Dai is completely mesmerized, watching Shun's every move. I can't even imagine how much I'd be blushing if I were him. Their interactions are just too cute. They're laughing, teasing each other, and Shun even feeds Dai a bite of food. Is this a cooking video or a romantic comedy? I'm getting all the feels. The hug at the end seals the deal. Dai just wraps his arms around Shun and gives him the biggest, sweetest hug. I swear, I'm going to need a sugar rush after this video. It's just too sweet. Well, guys, that was just too cute for words. I'm officially a Dai and Shun fan since the beginning. What did you think of the video? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reaction videos.